So we are there. Me can't call you when you're there at work.
No, because I'm busy. I work, me I work. You think I chicken me at there?
Papa Jesus.
What you want? What you want this early in the morning? What you want?
Me I call you, me can't check up on you.
What you want?
So me can't check up on you, you know my
I'm
friend.
a checklist. Me don't want nobody check on me.
Jesus, please, Papa Jesus. No,
No,
sir.
no checklist. No check on me, man. Yeah, check on.
You see you're ungrateful?
What about that ungrateful? You send my money in my account yet?
You love money too much.
I running money, run the world. You never hear around the mayor. You never hear about it.
No, sir. I pay your money there on your mind, you got your bed with it.
And that's why I work so hard.
Anyways, me have you look at $200 over here. So on the dresser, you can collect it when you come home. I that me that call you to tell you because you love money. Me no say.
At night, me I cut me I left work.
What?
Me I do some serious double. If I say me I go Jamaica, I'm a barrel for back.
Oh.
My box and barrel.
Well, the $200 over here, because you got like you sell me something we in a good condition.
Shut up your nasty mouth. If you did go lose our own people go buy too much of that place. Where's your so nasty mouth? I'm great. I saw one great. Who's so ungrateful now?
No.
Put and use it for less than a month and take it down back and sorry for you and pay it at a low price. Eh?
You're bitter. Trust me. Trust me, because you must think my mouth turn back way. Trust me.
Your mouth not turn back way, but you don't have no style.
You flap.
Let's go on and leave me and don't you know, come and do my mouth not nice.
The people them over TikTok say, where Gracie there, them want to know where you're there.
You serious?
Yeah.
God no?
God no. Go over there, go look. Them ask where is Gracie, because me a post and you know me boring. And yeah, that's where Gracie. Them ask you. So when we have a clash?
Tomorrow, me leave. Tomorrow, Wednesday, me go work for 3 to 11 tomorrow.
3 to 11. Okay, so we are gonna dance it off tomorrow. So me I practice you now. When me done, we just gonna practice. Cause I have to win.
All the practice where you practice, you still not go nowhere. Your favor son top it and coffee.
What the rasta justice? Oh my God.
You have to practice. Me not have to practice because me done dance the partner dancer.
Box cover. Well, you know, they need them not so strong again like one time I can't.
When them not so strong either, but me I tell you, me not do no good knee challenge or bad knee challenge because me not because me feel the pain it me do like a style and come.
No, some my outfit, my outfit go a dream go start shape up my body, you know, because my body I seize up it not get no exercise. It's not exercise.
Point is when you know do certain things for how long me not dance.
Yeah.
So me go one baby shower from Nikki Baby in a belly and me go Nikki Baby shower. And the girl where the host they sitting. Me and her dance off and me winner and everybody I said, no man, she go to Nikki and say, oh, well your sister is. No. Our husband and everybody I say, make she come down here.
Look here, you know, I have one party for go next month, one big people party. 90s. I'ma say is that ear to ear something? Same place up here. I'ma say me want go enjoy myself, because you know say me a plan for have some 90s maybe once a month in the basement and enjoy myself, and you know, because big people really now go out and have fun, you know. I just be young people and I go to enjoy for themselves. So more have look at some come have some, you know, look at big people around the place where, you know, always I say, you know, put on something down, man, because you have the space. So I go definitely plan it. More maybe start it in a March and see how it go. But you see me I go other one the next month, you know, cause me feel a little vibes, you know. And big people things don't really keep like that. Young people
things. It's a big people party because me never know me I get so old so fast rotted when me look say, but wait. You say, yeah, I'm not 49. Me say rotted. That's why me I feel so much pain when me do certain things.
Can I tell you?
When me and I 30s done at the moment you hit the 40 bracket there,
yeah.
Change.
Anytime you hit 40,
your body change.
yeah, that's where
walking, your movements, everything, things that you used to hold and just jog you up, you can't jog you up.
That's true.
And I hope I tell them girls, say, because them, I tell them, say, me almost 50, never be 49. Them say, what?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and me a 40, and me a 44. Me need them. Me need them. Start to feel. Yo.
Them say, oh my God, you look good for your age.
That's true.
I said, thank you, but I go through a whole lot, and if you never go through so much more, that look more better.
That's true.
That's true, but we give God thanks, you know?
For real. Trust me, me not telling lie. Like, we not enjoy ourselves. We not go gym. We not do certain things with the body. We not take care of it certain way.
Sign up a bling and cancel the membership.
Yeah, yesterday me and Angie that talk. Yeah, that don't make no sense. Me and Angie that talk yesterday. She said, she signed up at Planet Fitness. So
again?
And she can't. No, she said she have it long time.
Long time. Oh.
Yeah, she have it long time.
And you
so.
can't even go.
Yeah, you not have it time, but she tell me say me can't come with her. So me say okay, so me not have to sign up then because she can actually.
One person.
Right, and Mika actually said she not go sign up in a dream as well. So she can me can be her second person. So me not have to sign up. If me can be a Jackie on the two side, why not? Gone.
Mm.
Yeah, Jackie on the two side.
Alright, we'll do that later.
I'm just that touch base video because you know me see the comment.
You see me because I'm going to come in late tonight.
Okay. Alright then.
You have to work hard because I got Jamaica.
Yeah, you have to put in the work, my love. You have to put in what you have to do what you have to do because you know you have to take care of you. So and he's a go getter. So when he's a go getter, you have to put in the work. Big man thing.
Alright then later.
Alright, boo later. Okay guys, so see my call Gracie. Well, Gracie called me back. First, I did a call her. She never answered, so she called me back. And let me tell you something. Me and Gracie is like that. But you see, when it come on to reasoning, me and Gracie will go deep in a reason. Cut out all the joke. Cut out all of that. We have two sides to it. When a business time, and when we talk about things seriously. We're not always joke around like that, but you know, we bad up with one another and clash with one another more time and style up with one another. But big man thing, if we decide to take things serious, we sit down and reason and take things serious. Talk about what we are go through, you know. Talk about, you know, everything where life have to offer we and what we are go through as a human being. So, you know, always so funny. Because sometimes we depend on reasoning but the good thing about it, we can share anything with each other. We are friends. Now I go say Gracie I go tell me everything, or me I go tell Gracie everything, but we like that. We're open to each other. We talk about stuff. And you know, if she feels sad, she talk about it. If me feel sad, me talk about it with her. We share stuff. So that's what good friendship is all about. So if you have somebody where you have a friendship with and you can build a friendship with them, it's good. It's good to sit down and can reason and, you know, go the highs and the lows with your friend. And that's what friendship supposed to be. Me and, as we talked before, so me and Gracie, me know Gracie for over 20 years, and we never have an argument, like a breakout argument where we malice each other and cuss and carry on. We never have that. And when you have something like that, you cherish it. I have friends showed me life where me and them have disagreement, but also that is a part of growth with your friendship. You know, teeth and tongue will meet, and it's not just your children alone can hurt you, or your husband or your boyfriend, your spouse, your girlfriend, whichever. It's not them alone can hurt you. Your friends them hurt you deeply as well. So when you're attached to somebody and you hurt you, it's like Gracie becomes my sister. She's not just my friend. It's like, you know, my sister from another mother. We might not have biological parents, but she's like my sister. And I have this heart where you know, me give in to people. Me's a people person. Me caring, me loving. Until when you piss me off, like, it no matter who you is, I could have even want somebody lay down on the street and I have nowhere to go. Me warm, welcome. Me just that kind of person. Me's a warm and welcoming kind of person, you know. So, it's what you see is what you get. Me not make up, me not take off. Me just be myself. You know, my husband always encourage me and say, just be yourself. You know, don't try to be somebody else. And just like how me used to come and go on YouTube and me used to say, me used to talk patois in at the beginning, and then I start to change it up a little and kind of speak English because I have people that reach out to me so them not understanding. So me I try to have a communication where everybody can understand. But then sometimes when you try to speak English, mix it up with the patois, the Jamaicans them come for you as your own people. Them will come for you and say, what you try twang? But it's not just Jamaican you are talking to, and some people really cannot understand. So be yourself. Be yourself in any little thing where you do. And that is my encouragement to you. This is who me is. This is who Gracie is. Gracie just be herself. And Gracie don't really talk to everybody like that. But when Gracie realize say you are cool, then she will make you laugh. You know, she will just talk and make you laugh. And if she talk to me, she will talk to me and our friends them here, and them are dead with laugh as well. So even in aggressive workplace environment where she work with people, she and people don't really argue and have disagreement because them love her. She's a fun person. And that's who people supposed to be. If you have some humor and enjoy life, you don't have to be stuck up all the time. Drop in the comment section if you agree with me with that. But anyways, guys, bless up on yourself. Me just hop on here for make you know say call Gracie because people are asking where is Gracie, and hope you enjoy the little conversation of me and her just have. We talked to her yesterday, but me not hear from her from morning, and she go over TikTok and them ask me where is Gracie. I say me do a little video, and on YouTube them say, you know, you need to post more video with Gracie because Gracie is funny. Me not half as funny as Gracie, but you know, me learn some humor from Gracie. Anyway, guys, enough love. Stay strong. Bless up on yourself. Love or no. I'm home. Take care. Don't forget to like the video. Give it a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe if you don't already subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend about my YouTube channel. Adios, guys. People are country, me have a question to ask you, cause me not think say town people them parents them tell them something here. So country people, I want me attack. All of me childhood growing up, right? Me hear a baby drop out a helicopter. The first baby we born in my grandmother's house, and I asked my grandmother, where the baby come from? Just pop up in the house. So she tell me say the baby drop out a helicopter. So even in a little neighborhood where we used to live, then there was a baby drop out a helicopter or plane. So that in my head as a child growing up right up till me about 15 years old. That's when me know where baby really come from. So, wanna tell me, if that's what you hear as a child growing up, say baby drop out a helicopter, drop it in the comment section. If that's what you hear as a child, Papa Jesus, no sir.